Everyone. So now Miss Winnie is going to show you what do you need to make a catapult. Okay. So these are some of the things I gathered from my home to make a catapult. Okay. You can use pencils. Oops. I don't think this is a good idea. Okay. Pencils. And then you can even use chopsticks. If you have popsicles, ice cream sticks, you can even use that. And you need rubber bands. Okay, you don't have a rubber band, you can use a string or a thread to help to tie it. Okay, and also you need spoons. Now when you choose a spoon, choose the right one because you want to make sure it's elastic and it will help to give a force, right? I'll probably choose this one, right? Okay, but here Miss Winnie has chose this plastic spoon, which also gives a good force. All right, now this is how I have made my catapult. Right, so catapult is actually a complex machine. It has more than one simple machine. Now what can you notice? What do you think? What simple machines you can identify? Do you think it's an inclined plane? Do you think it's a lever? Yes, it's a lever. You know why? Because here this acts as a fulcrum. Okay, it helps because we have this here. It helps to hold the spoon and give some energy, right? That will help to give a force so that if Miss Winnie puts something on top, okay, I'll hold it here and it will bounce. It will bounce. Okay, it will bounce, right? And now this is energy, right? It's called kinetic energy, right? Movement. Movement means kinetic energy. Okay, so that is one simple machine that I have identified, lever. And he has a fulcrum. Now what happens if I don't have a fulcrum? Will it have a force? No. Okay, because the spoon will not be supported. So it will go right down. So it doesn't have a force to help to lift it up and push. Right? So I hope you understand that. Now you can modify this this catapult. You can, I don't know, you can include more simple machines. Right? I don't think I want to give you the ideas, but I'm sure you can make it more interesting, movable. So what simple machines do you need to help the catapult move? Okay, think about it. And I wish you all the best. Be as creative as you can at home and use whatever you have at home to try and build a catapult. And also, once you have built, I want you to you draw and plan first. Okay, how you would like your catapult to look like. I've given you a worksheet. Now once you finish making your catapult, remember to identify the simple machines that you have included. Okay, there are 3 questions given to you. Read it carefully. And there's also one question where you are asked to test your catapult. Okay, for that you need 3 different mediums. Example, Miss Winnie has rolled a piece of paper in the form of a ball. Okay, I might even use a eraser as another medium. The idea here is to test how far the medium that you use goes. Okay, and I want you to think which why, because there's a question stated that asks which medium went the furthest, right? So for that question I want you to think, why did the paper go the furthest, or why did the eraser go the furthest? Okay, and you also have to measure. Now you might not have a tape at home, measuring tape, so what do you use when you don't have a standard unit of measurement? Yes, you use non-standard unit of measurement. Okay, so use your, okay, so let Miss Winnie try. Okay, the first one is a paper, so I'm going to put it on my catapult and I'm going to try and see how far it goes. Oops, just that. So from here you need to use your feet and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how you do it. So then you write on your piece of paper your answer, 4 feet. Okay, and then maybe I'm using an eraser now. Again, I'll try it. 1, 2, 3. Oops, this did not go far at all. Okay, so maybe 1 feet. All right, so that is the activity today. So I hope you'll enjoy the activity, and we can even play this later on with your brother and sister. Okay, bye.